Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style cottage home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style cottage home decor is a cozy, nostalgic and charming approach to decorating a home that combines the warmth of cottage living with the beauty of vintage aesthetics. It blends the simplicity of country cottage life with features that carry a sense of history, romance, and timeless charm. Here are the main features that define vintage-style cottage decor: atmosphere and feeling, warm, welcoming, and homey, like stepping into a storybook cottage. Evokes a sense of comfort, nostalgia, and lived-in charm, romance, rustic, and slightly whimsical. Furniture style displays ordered or repurposed features. Its vintage finds such as antique dressers, wooden farmhouse tables, or wicker chairs. Its floral upholstered sofas, rocking chairs, and slip-covered furniture. Color palette uses soft, muted, and natural colors like pastels, creams, whites, and faded hues. Those nature-inspired tones like sheer green, dusty rose, soft blue, and buttery yellow, often layered with a slightly owned look for authenticity. Fabrics and textures use floral prints, gingham, lace, and ruffles. Cozy textiles like cotton, linen, and crochet. Handmade or hand-stitched quilts, embroidered pillowcases, or towels. Decorative details, windows, mirrors, distressed picture frames, and antique clocks. Use porcelain teacups, enamel art, and mason jars for display. Use fresh or dried flowers in rustic vases. Vintage lamps with soft lighting to create a gentle glow. Cottage elements, wooden floors, shiplap walls, or exposed beams. Use open shelving displaying collections of vintage dishware. Use cozy nooks with layered textiles, cushions, and straws. Overall effect, it feels like a blend of comfort and history. Every piece tells a story, whether passed down, gifted, or handmade. Create thus a home that feels personal, soulful, and timeless, rather than overly polished. Vintage-style cottage decor celebrates imperfections, romance, and the beauty of the past, while making the home feel cozy and inviting. Emotional side, nostalgia reminds people of simpler times, childhood homes, or grandmother's kitchen. Romance, soft lighting, floral prints, and vintage details add a dreamy, storybook atmosphere. Cozy sensory, it feels like a retreat from the fast-packed world, a place to curl up with tea and a book. Creativity and soulfulness, many vintage cottage homes reflect handmade love, whether through DIY crafts, flea market finds, or upcycled pieces. Symbolism of the style, imperfection, equal beauty, a tip plate, a faded jug, or a old cabinet represents life's journey. Layers equal storytelling, every cushion, trinkets, and photo contributes to the home's narrative. Nature and home together, the cottage look often bring the garden inside, flowers, herbs, natural oats. Lifestyle aspects. Living in a vintage cottage inspired home is about slowing down and enjoying little rituals. Tea in porcelain cups, writing letters, baking bread. crafting rather than consuming, collecting meaningful objects rather than buying trendy decor, creating a safe nest where comfort and history meet. Deeper meaning of Venus Cottage Decor, it is not just decoration, it is a philosophy of home. It values simplicity over extravagance. It treasures the old over the new. It reflects a gentle, nostalgic lifestyle, where the home becomes a sanctuary filled with warmth and stories. Unlike modern styles that aim for sleekness, Vintage Cottage Decor embraces the human touch. Own finishes, handmade items, and objects with imperfections that feel alive. Core philosophy: Vintage Cottage Decor is about creating a home with a heart. Instead of decorating with brand new showroom pages, it brings beauty out of memories, items passed down or collected. Imperfections: own edged, tipped paint, faded florals. Comfort: cozy textures, warm light, softness everywhere. It is a home hot whispers. Come in, solo down, stay a while. Design tip: architectural features, exposed beams, wooden floors, shiplap walls, rustic air charming, cottage windows with lace curtains, letting light filter gently. Small nooks and alcoves, reading corners, window seats, kitchen shelves, filled with treasures. Furniture personality, layered history, a mix of eras, Victorian style dresser beside a farmhouse table. Diamond touches, sanded edged, painted surfaces with patina. Coziness first, furniture chosen for comfort rather than perfection. Color and mood, light and airy, creams, white, pastel reflect delight. Earthy or grounded, shades, terracotta, faded blues, connected to nature. Romantic accents, floral wallpapers or painted motifs add softness. Textiles and layers, quads with a story, often handmade, patchwork, or inherited. Cottage fabrics, gingham, ticking stripes, faded rose florals. Mix of soft and rough, linen tablecloth with wicker baskets, lace dollies on wooden tables. Decorative objects, daily life as decor, teapots, enamel jugs, stuck china on shelves. Collections, vintage books, postcards, clocks, or pressed flowers. Seasonal touches, wildflowers, bouquets in summer, pine cones, and candles in winter. Emotional and symbolic side, home as memory, each object holds a past. A grandmother's teacup, a flower market chair, a handwritten letter framed. Romance of imperfection, faded fabrics or chipped paint symbolize the beauty of time passing gracefully. Nature embrace, wildflowers, herbs, wood, and stone blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Nostalgic comfort, a sense of being wrapped in history, safe home, the noise of modern life. Multisensory experience, sight, gently sunlight show lace curtains, pastel walls, flowers in pictures. Touch, the softness of cotton shades, the roughness of aged oud, the warmth of knitted throws. Sound crack of a wooden floor, rustle of curtains, ticking of a winter's clock. Smell freshly baked bread, lavender shades, roses from the garden. Feeling calm, nostalgia, warmth, like living in a timeless storybook. Lifestyle connection. A vintage cottage in a smart home often encourages solo living, baking bread, gardening, sipping tea, journaling by candlelight. Creativity. Handcrafting, sewing, or repurposing old treasures. Hospitality. Welcoming guests with cozy meals, layered quiet, and warm conversation. Mindful connection, choosing items for meaning and beauty, not for trend. Vintage style home decor is not just design, it is an atmosphere where the past is lovingly preserved, the present feels tender, and the future is welcomed with calm and warmth. At its heart, vintage cottage decor is about creating a soulful century where every detail feels gentle, imperfect, and meaningful. It is not about achieving a perfect look, it is about surrounding yourself with objects that breathe history and textures that comfort the spirit. Think of it as a blend of romance, floral, soft lighting, and lace, simplicity, natural wood, handcrafted items, practical furniture. Memory treasures with a story, keepsakes, and heirlooms. Design philosophy, authenticity over perfection. Scratches, chips, and faded fabrics are celebrated. Each imperfection adds depth and character. Layering time and nature, a room may hold Victorian mirrors, farmhouse tables, and hand-woven baskets, all coexisting. Use flowers, herbs, and natural fibers soften the space. Romantic practicality. Objects are useful but also beautiful. A teacup doubles as a vase, basket, store, and decorate, whilst warm and charm. The emotional language, nostalgia. It feels like stepping into your grandmother's house or a storybook cottage. Calm and safety. Every corner whispers comfort, encouraging you to pause and breathe. Romance, lace curtains catching the breeze, roses in a jug, soft golden light. Soulfulness, each object feels chosen with love, not bought for trend. Lifestyle within vintage cottage decor, solo ritual, tea served in china, handwritten notes, gardening, baking. Creative living, crafting, upcycling, sewing, flower arranging, seasonal rhythms. Wildflowers in spring, linens dresser in summer, knitted blankets in autumn, candlelight coziness in winter. Mindful connecting, each object is meaningful, a flower market find, a family heirloom, or something handmade. Deeper symbolism, patina, equal wisdom. These surfaces mirror the beauty of a life lived fully. Nature inside, flowers, herbs, and natural tones remind us that home is an extension of the earth. Home as memory keeper. Every corner is layered with stories, both old and unfolding. Vintage style cottage decor is less about designing a house and more about creating a living poem, a tender blend of past, present, and dream. The spirit of Winter's Cottage Decor at its core. This style is about comfort, warmth, and storytelling. It creates the feeling of a home that has been lived in, loved, and cherished for generations. A state of sleek, modern perfection. It celebrates this ease and patina on old faded fabrics tipped paint, romance, and whimsy. With lace, floral, and candlelight, connection to nature. Use flowers, herbs, and natural textures. It is not just a look, it is a gentle atmosphere that solos town life. Design layers expanded rooms and they are filled. Living room, cozy sofas with floral slip covers, a quiet chopped over the arm, wicker baskets by the hearth. Kitchen, use open shelving with animal art, mason jars filled with herbs, a farmhouse sink, and soft gingham curtains. Bedroom, an iron bed state, layered quilt, lace pillowcases, soft lighting from a window lamp. Bathroom, use clawfoot tubs, soft cotton towels, lavender soaps in dishes, little shelves with jars. Why it feels so special? Vintage cottage style is loved because it is timeless. It never really goes out of style because it is about memory and comfort. Personal, no two vintage cottages look the same. Each one reflects the life and soul of its owner. Romantic and nostalgic, it feels like stepping into a novel, a countryside retreat, or a cherished memory. Vintage cottage is about living inside warmth, memory, and romance, not just decorating with objects. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.